All right, let's do this. Hot air balloons in the inside 2 weeks here at the Casablanca Resort.
No exceptions, nothing. No bicycles, no skateboards, please. You could fall and go into one of the cars and it wouldn't be a pretty sight. Thank you.
That one's fine. See you guys.
If you come straight, my car is right in the end. Like if you kind of walk down to the right, you'll see a yellow dragster. My car is right there.
For you right now. Way back in 1964, a man named Doug Thornley, he did a lot of headers and very popular there. He built the first, started the whole thing back in '64. Well, he's He's got a 64 Chevy Nova.
Alright, that was my favorite.
You're going to get a deacon.
Give him about a minute to warm it up. More that's left over from the golden age of drag racing. And right now, that's one of them. Most of the cars that are left over. And I'm sure one day Doug's car will be in there too. It's an iconic car from the golden age of drag racing.
Oh my God. She's doing the same thing.
Already?
You can't win.
I used to love it.